Hello guys, I'm Timon Franke and this is another video of Everyday Timon. And today I'm Chef Timon, especially because we're going to make some sandwiches. We have 4 variations planned for you, and well, let's get right started with the first one. So, our first one is called the classic Italian, and here are our ingredients for today. So we have some small and fresh tomatoes of the tomato plant we had in the Timon live show. Then we have some herbs. We have a bit of cheese, a bit of shredded cheese. And then back here we have some Italian pesto for one of the sandwiches and some ketchup for the other one. So we're gonna start by putting our ketchup as the foundation on it. The ketchup and pesto for the other one. There we go. Next we're gonna put on some of our herbs. Remember guys, all of our sandwiches are 100% vegetarian, which is very important. It's very good for the environment to be vegetarian. Yes, we have it like that. Then we put some shredded cheese on it. Perfect. And as the final fresh topping, I'm gonna put some fresh uncut tomatoes in here. It's important they are really small. If you try this at home, use some tiny tomatoes. They just give a very fresh and nice taste. And in the end, we're gonna use the classic cheese on it. Quickly. There you go, guys. Now I'm gonna get the 2 other toasts. And we're ready to go. And there we go. Pushing it down nicely. And it's important to keep it tight. And there we go, it's baking. Right guys, so it already smells really nice. Let's see what we got here. Some nice and tight sandwiches. The next sandwich is perfect for summertime. Take a look, Finn. So we have classic banana and chocolate on there. But we also have smoothie to make it really fresh. And we have some cheese, because it's a nice addition to, especially to the chocolate, having some cheese. So that's the next one. Now with the second one, we are getting some chocolate on it. We're just gonna do one in the video, do the other one after. Then I already sliced our banana. And for the banana, we do it like this. We put it all around the edges. It's important to slice the banana very thin, because it's gonna get pushed quite a big amount, so we don't want them to be too big. We do them around, then we take the smoothie. And what's important about the smoothie is be careful about how you apply it. It's a very special ingredient, but like that. A bit more. There you go. See, we got some nice smoothie in there. And now as a topping, before we put on the other toast, we got the shredded cheese, as always. Putting some on there, just to make it nice. It's a nice addition to some chocolate we have in there. So it's gonna be quite tasty. Then we take the last piece and voila, ready to cook. Alright guys, now the third one, and we have some nice ingredients here. It's spicy and sweetish. So take a look, Finn. I have some shredded cheese again, some nice casual ketchup. We have a different kind of cheese again, Swedish cheese. Then we have some lime, which is very important. Lime is always tasty. Put it on everything. We have some chili sauce, some chili spray, as you may remember from our darts video. We have some pepper. We're gonna mix it up a bit and it's gonna be pretty nice. Alright guys, let's get started preparing the toast or the sandwiches. Put a bit of ketchup on each one. Not too much because we got some other sauce as well. Then next we take some of this cheese here, some of the slices of cheese. Put them on there nicely. And we got something else. It's a special ingredient for the taste. Because all vegetarian stuff doesn't taste too good, so we just put some special stuff on there. And we got the casual chili sauce. And then for the taste, we don't put the lime on there, of course. We just squish it nicely. And it's dripping limes on there. Very good. And now as the final topping, you could either put some chili on there, or we're just gonna put some pepper on it. Very nice. And then, as always, some shredded cheese. And we put on the toast. There you go, guys. And we close it down again. And that's it. Alright, now for the meat lover. That's the name of the next sandwich. We have the following ingredients. We have some onions, roasted onions, some shredded cheese, some ketchup again, you know it, some salad for the first time. We got some specialty in here again. We start by putting some salad. There you go. Then we put the ketchup on top this time. Just pour it into the salad. Very fancy. And before we put the cheese on it, we put some roasted onions on it. And then we are finishing off with some shredded cheese again. There you go, guys. So put on top parts of the sandwich. Perfect. And then we bring it down. We press it nicely. And we are done for the day. Alright guys, our final two are done. I'm gonna take them out nicely. There you go. And now we have our collection of 4x2 great sandwich collections. And make sure to like and subscribe this video, and for more awesome cooking tutorials, of course. And well, I'm saying thank you for your attention, and well, maybe you can try out cooking some of those at home.